Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here on Anique Budgets. How y'all doing or whatever? If this is your first time here stopping by my channel, thank you so much. Hello, welcome. My name is Anique here, and here we do cash stuffing, paying debt, getting all out together, and minding our business. You know, the usual things that we need to do daily. And so if you're interested in stuff like that, I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button because we would love to have you as a part of the family. If you are an oldie but goodie, welcome back. How you doing? Hey, what's up? Let's do it. Okay? Welcome back to the channel, guys, and thank you again for stopping by. If you like this video in particular, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you need to put your 2 cents, aka your comments, down in the comment box below, go ahead and do so, because your girl loves to hear what y'all are doing. Help your sister out, because child, we all need a little bit of help sometimes. Okay, so without further ado, we are about to get into this video because I am excited to stuff this money, baby. It's the beginning of the month. Let's get it together. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, y'all, so this is the money that we are cash stuffing today, and today we are cash stuffing 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 420, 440, 454, 64, 74, 80, 45, 490, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 500. So in today's video, we are cash stuffing $500. We're just gonna put those out together, and again, I still don't know where my my smaller tray is, but again, I think it's at my parents' house in Georgia. And child, anybody driving 6 hours to get a tray? That's why you got a backup, baby. Or you go old school where you put it on the desk. But I got a tray, so we gonna, you know, we ain't gonna work it out. I just woke up, so if you hear my voice, please just let the record, you know, scratch, please. All right, so now let's get into the cash stuffing since we laid out the coins. Okay, we're cash stuffing 500, and we're gonna start with my sinking funds because, baby, I just want to. So this is my sinking funds binder, and we are going to start. So the first envelope, that we have, I'm shaking the table, or at least shaking the camera, but the first envelope is car maintenance, and right now car maintenance has 51, 52, 201, and car maintenance is supposed to be getting $99. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna trade these 250s for 100, and it's the same amount. And I'm also gonna trade this, not trade, but I'm gonna put $1 in here, and I'm gonna take the second 100. And so now, oh child, now car maintenance has $250, $300. So car maintenance has $300, and with this $300, I'm about to call the maintenance people today, child, and get another one of my car maintenance requirements completed, because baby, y'all hear my stomach? It growled like hell loud. Yo, I'm hungry. I think I might be. What did I eat yesterday? Yo, when I tell you, I was up, because I released my video yesterday, I was up at 1 o'clock, and I was up until, I want to say like 7 at night, because I just started doing stuff. And then I went to sleep, and I like passed out, and I still didn't sleep long. I haven't been sleeping long, but it is what it is. It's fine. But y'all, so much. Next is travel. Travel has nothing in it, but we are adding a $5 bill. So now travel will have $5 because we had to spend her recently, and you know Thanksgiving is coming up, so you know we gotta prep for that. So that's travel. Christmas right now, she is next month, child, and she is coming for the pockets, whether we want her to or not. Right now she has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 130, 135. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, Okay, so this is 100, and I'm going to take out 250s out of here, trade them out. And so now we still have the same 135, but now I'm going to add $15 to this, right? That's how much for Christmas? Yes, Christmas is getting 15. So I'm going to take a 10 and a 5. And so now Christmas has 51, 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. Okay, trade them out. All right, so I'm gonna trade out this 50 right here. So 20, 30, 40, 45, and 50. Yeah, so I have the money broken up. I don't know if I already said this, but the reason I have the money broken up how I have it and not like my normal regular denominations was because I didn't go to the bank, y'all. I didn't go to the bank because I already had the $500 in cash that I was supposed to bring to the bank. If you know, you know. And then I decided I wasn't going to go to the bank, and I just did a transfer situation. So that's why I have the money how I have it and not like broken down how it normally is. So in Christmas now, with that $15 added, I have 50, 100, and 150. And we are going to put that in Christmas, okay? Next is clothing. Clothing right now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and $30. So with this, clothing is supposed to get $5. So I'm gonna do 5, 10, 15. I'm gonna put that 15 here and trade a 20. And so now I have 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Okay, so now clothing has $35, and that is cool. We can live with that. All right, so that's clothing. Next is my birthday. And ooh, child, let me start rough. And she has $20 and $40. And my birthday is also getting a 5. Okay, so now she has $45. Put that in my birthday, because you know what, it's coming up a little bit and I like it. It's like cute, you know, just a cute little change or something. I know it's December, my birthday is like in 7, 8, one of them months, but you know, with a little bit of change right now for it, it's super cute. So I'm living. Anyways, birthday is next. Fam birthday is next, and it has $3, and it's supposed to be getting $2. Yes, it is, because we need to make a 5, baby. We need to bring it up to $5. So that was 2. So now birthday has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Yep. Just want to make sure I took up the right amount of dollars, child, because you know what's the craziest thing other than when you don't have the denomination? When you mess it up in the cash counting, please. The headache that goes with that, child, please. We don't need that energy this morning, do we? Or this afternoon, or this, you know, this evening, whenever we watching it. It don't matter. 24 hours. We need to be knowing where our money's at. So, cha-ching, please, correctly. 1 month ahead. So 1 month ahead has 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86, and 87. And 1 month ahead is supposed to be getting $20, which I'm just going to add that in there. So now 1 month ahead has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 2, 205, 206, and 207. So $207 is in 1 month ahead, which is perfection. I'm finally over $200, y'all. Oh, another bill is being able to pay at $200 plus. Another bill. Another one. All right, this is my emergency fund. This envelope I received from Cynthia and Cassie Budgets Etsy shop. So go ahead and check that out. But in my emergency fund, I have 500, 525, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So $534 in here, which I have a placeholder, guys. My first placeholder. Oh my God. My first placeholder. So $534, and I'm supposed to be adding $16. So that is a 10, a 5, and a 1. So the 16 here. And so I don't know, I feel like I just glitched on how to put these in order. All right, so now in emergency I have 500, which is in the bank. 520, 530, 540, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. So this is $550. That is now in emergency fund, which, thank God. Shout out to God. Shout out to him, man. Shout out to consistency, because look at that, goals. Okay, so now our sinking funds is completed. We are going to move on to our to our saving challenges. Let's move on to our saving challenges. Okay, y'all, so we got the orange binder out because you know what's up. In the club with my friend, we be vibing. That's what's up. All right, so this is the, what is this, child? What is this, child? This is the 10 of a kind saving challenge, and if you know, you know. Your girl is out here doing the damn thing. Y'all, I am looking but not looking forward to when I gotta do the big bills, but it's okay, you know. It is a-okay. I've completed all the 1s, the 5s, the 10s, and now we're in the 20s. And this week I am trading out 120, a fake prop 20, for an actual, ooh, this one's cuter in the back now. From the back, from the back, from the back, from the back. All right, so a real $20 bill. So I'm doing the trade, and so that goes there. So I should have 10 20s in total to include prop. So this is 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82. Okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 in prop money, and I have 6 in real money. So, you know, making progress. So I have $80 more to put in here, and then that will basically finish out the 20s, and we're moving on up, y'all. We're moving to the 50s and 100s, which, damn! Oh, I forgot to put them in. It's a lot. It's a lot now. It's a lot. But I'm excited for it. It's going to be great. It's going to be absolutely beautiful to be able to contribute to that fine. You feel me? So we are going to put this over here, as well as put the 20s back with the props money. Okay? So moving on to our other saving challenge binder. All right, y'all, so look at her. She a little thick now. She a little thick. She's like, girl, what's up? What's up? But this is my 100 enveloped binder. Got it off of Amazon. And today I have $10 to put in here. If I am mistaken, I got a $10 to put in here. But I think 10 is already full. So what I decided to do was to put it in one of the smaller numbers that weren't already full. And I think I'm going to put it in 7. So I'm going to take $10 and I'm going to fold it up, fold it up, fold it, fold it, fold it up. I'm going to fold up my $10 and I'm going to put it in 7. So 7 is filled. Okay. Right, yeah, so now in the 1 through 10, 1's filled, 2's filled, 3's filled, 6 isn't filled. So 6 is my first number that's not filled, and then 9 and 8 is filled, and then 10, and then 7 is filled now, and 10 is filled. So number 6 is the only one I have left here. And yeah, now we in the teen numbers, and then we're gonna move on up to, you know, the big boys. But this is the 100 envelope saving challenge, and that was number 7. All right. Last but not least, we have the cash envelopes for the stuffing child. So these are my cash envelopes, and let's get right up into it. All right. So groceries right now is getting $70. So that's a 50, and I'm gonna do 2 10s because the 10s over here, baby, is struggling, and I might as well use them. So that's 50, 60, and 70. That's going into groceries. And if you want to know why groceries are not getting this usual amount, if you're an older but goodie child, go ahead and watch the budget video from yesterday. See what's up. Next is gas. Gas is getting $60. So how I want to do gas? I want to do her broken up because, child, I'm gonna do her I'm gonna do her just straight 20s, 20s, 40s, 60s. So that's gas. I'm gonna do her straight 20s. She'll be fine. Okay, next is allowance, and she's a $10 child. She is $10, and she be struggling with the 10 because the 10 be gone. I know how this one made it to this video or made it so far, but she be gone sometimes before we even do the video. But good job on you, allowance. You know, you're holding out. So it's $10 for allowance. Toiletries right now has 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Let me make sure. Okay, it's right. So my friend took out $1 out of here. I told her to take it out, y'all. My best friend did. She took $1 out of here, which is fine. So I have 23 toiletries right now. And what's there? I'm supposed to be adding $5. That's a 5 right here. So now toiletries has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, and 28. So, yep, $28. Love to see it. Love to see it. So $28. Household, the big problem child. She has 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110, 115, 16, and 17. So I am giving household $83. So that's a 50, a 20, 83, right? $83. A 50, a 20 is 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Look at me, not coming to play. So this is 50, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, and $83. And then when we add this $83 onto my money here. Come on now, where's the ones? Sheesh, I have to go far for the ones. Okay, so when I add this, now a household has 50, 70, 90, 100, 110, 120, 131, 41, 50, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100. So now household has $100, which I need to make a list because this money is literally going to be spent. So I got to spend $100 in my household envelope. Well, you don't have to spend $100, but there's $200 in here, and I got things to buy, y'all. It's officially the weekend of it being bought, so yeah, gonna do that. Next is hair care, and hair care right now has 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And so I'm supposed to add $75 to it, which 20, 70, and 5. Look at me. Just having a thing together. So now hair care has 50, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, and 35. So this is 135. I'm going to see what I got to text my hairdresser today on Saturday that this video is recorded. I got to text her and make an appointment, and that's going to take out like $40, $45 out of here. And so, yeah, that's going to leave us with like $90, and then I have to do my hair in a week or two, something like that. So, yeah, child, but now 135 is in hair care, and then nothing is going in back to bank. But that is it, y'all. That is the entire video. That is Kiki, and I enjoyed kikiing with y'all and stuffing my money and getting my life together. Now, if this is one of the best videos that you've watched, go ahead and hit that like button. Come on, get into it. Leave your 2 cents down below because, again, love to hear from you. Love to hear your advice, what you did to have your funds changed. Like, baby, anything, any help is appreciated. And if you do enjoy the content here in this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because love to see it, okay? Come into the room, come into the family. Love to see it. But without further ado, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it every time. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.